Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a fantastically unique stock item we've just got into our used range, and that being the Lunar Ariva 2010. A fantastically well-specced, small, lightweight two-berth caravan. So here's a good look at that particular caravan. Got a generous sized front locker box there with space for two 6kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, just being careful and cautious of your nose weight. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got the Ariva logo as you come down the side here. A generous sized front window to the front lounge area. You've got a tall door with window and swing bin. The motor mover has been swapped off this caravan, so it's gone on to another caravan. So if that's a need or a consideration for you, we can certainly price up a competitive motor mover for you. So stepping inside here, albeit a small caravan, it does give you a real nice feeling of a home from home and a nice bit of space. Two large long front couches which convert into a double bed or can be slept on as singles. An ample amount of storage dotted throughout the caravan that you see here. Front chest area with short pull-out table and storage drawers located just there. As we swing around to the sideboard here where you've got your television point, a generous size under-counter fridge, and your fan heater there located underneath a very spacious large wardrobe with freestanding table in it. One of the unique features here is the end kitchen, so really tucked away nicely at the back of the van, and further storage located there, and also a nice cocktail cabinet on the right here. Pleated blinds dotted throughout, which are very easy to use, with fly screens also dotted throughout as well. You have a combination wet room here, so your Thetford toilet and shower and sink all combined in a combination wet room. So a really unique, small, two-berth caravan. If you've got any queries or questions about this particular model, please feel free to contact our friendly sales team who will be more than happy to help you. I hope you've enjoyed the short walk around tour on this caravan, benefiting from the Truma blown air heating system. But as I say, any questions, please give us a ring. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video, and we look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Bye bye now.